Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Lynn. I know it's been so long since we did a video, but I'm back with more vlogs, more tutorials. So guys, today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do a nude face beat, a cool face beat. So guys, please, in case you had forgotten, keep subscribing, share this video as much as you can, and please like this video. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, we start off with our eyebrows. Brush them off using a spoolie. This helps in creating or in giving your eyebrows some structure, and that makes it so easy for you to line them and shade them. So always start with the lower side. Just follow the structure of your eyebrows and draw a very straight line, following the structure of your brows that way. And then you move to the upper side, do the same. Extend the lower line to this end and don't extend the upper line. Yeah, so that's our structure right now before we shade in. So you can now move into shading. Yeah, that way guys. Then on the upper front part, this part that we didn't extend the line, you don't shade this part, you draw very thin hair-like structures moving upwards, because this end or this front part of your brows should look more faded than the rest of the brows. That way, then clean them up. Guys, that's our eyebrow after shading it. Before we clean up, move on to the other side and do the same. Line the lower side. Now that's our eyebrows before we clean them up. So now use a concealer of your choice. I'm using the Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fawn to clean up my eyebrows. Be very keen that you don't spoil the shape of the eyebrows. Drag the concealer down. This will make it easy for you to blend. Drag it down towards the eyelids, because eventually you'll need to conceal your eyelids before doing your eyeshadow. So I find it easier doing it at the same time. Guys, note the difference. So guys, now after we've cleaned up the lower side of our eyebrows, we now move to the upper side. So it's not necessary cleaning up the upper side, and if you have to clean up your upper side, use a foundation, because it will be so easy for you to blend the rest of the makeup. In this case, I'm still going to use the same concealer. If you know that you can blend a concealer well, then fine. But if blending will give you problems, then I advise that you use foundation. So that's it for our eyebrows, guys. So after the eyebrows, guys, we now move into the eyeshadow. We've already concealed our eyelids, so we just apply the eyeshadow. Since we're doing a nude look, then we need to go for nude shades. Don't do bright shades when looking for a nude look. So in this case, this is the first shade that I'll start with. This nude brown on the outer corner of the eye. Blend it, moving inwards. That's our first shade. So we're going to transition with this peach. Is it peach or what color is this? It's still matte. So that's what we're going to use as our transitioning shade. And on the inner corner, this is the inner corner, we're going to do a little shimmer. On the inner corner, we're going to move in with a very little shimmer shade. As much as we're going for a nude look, then you need to make your eyeshadow pop a little bit. So apply very, very little product because you don't want to do too much when it comes to the shimmer shade. This just to lighten up your eyes a little bit. That's it for a nude eyeshadow. We wanted to keep it as simple as we can. It's hardly noticeable. Someone cannot notice it from a distance. Yeah, so that's what we were looking for. So the next thing is the lashes. I'm going to do my lashes off camera. That's my lashes after doing them off camera. When you're going for a nude look, because we're looking for a very, very cool look, don't go for dramatic lashes. Have them short and simple. So that's why I went for this lashes, for this type of lashes. Yeah, so the next thing is prime your face. We now move to the face. Use a primer of your choice. In this case, I'm using the Milani primer. Yeah, give your primer some time to set in, at least 2 minutes or a minute for it to set it, and then you move in with your foundation. So after our primer setting, you can now go in with the foundation. I'm using the Milani. No, sorry, I'm using Fit Me foundation, guys, not Milani. Use a moist beauty blender or a damp beauty blender to tap in your foundation. Do not drag. This is dragging. Don't drag. Just tap it in. So after your foundation is blended in well, you move in with the concealer. Conceal the under eye. We conceal the darker parts of our face. The under eye. Remember, we're still using a moist beauty blender. Move into your forehead. The reason as to why, as I said, you apply as you blend is because concealer dries up so fast. So before you conceal, or by the time you're blending your forehead and you had applied it on your under eye, the concealer on your under eye will have dried, and when it's dry, it's so hard for you to blend it in. Blend your forehead nicely, and then the area around your mouth is also a bit dark. Conceal it as well. And that's it with the concealer, guys. So the next thing, after you've concealed your face, you now move in with setting powder. Use a setting powder of your case. In this case, I'm going to use the Sacha setting powder so that you can set our makeup in. The purpose of setting your makeup in is to avoid that stickiness. Foundations, concealers are so sticky. So if you apply your makeup and you don't set with a setting powder, your makeup remains so sticky that you can feel that your face is so sticky. So you loosen up the face with a setting powder. Set in your neck as well. So that's it for the powder. After you've set your powder, let's move on to our concealer. Do the same with the concealer. Brush off the excess product from your brush. Conceal your cheekbones. These are the cheekbones. Concealers always give your face a structure, a smaller structure. You also need to contour your forehead, because when you apply makeup on your forehead, your hairline is so dark, the part seems so dark, so you apply a bit of contour so that you can make your face even. Our nose also needs some structure, so after you've contoured your face, you can now move into your nose and give it a bit of structure. When it comes to the nose, avoid excess product. So guys, that's it with contouring of our nose. And once you contour your nose, it's always necessary for you to highlight it to complete the structure. So you go in with your highlight. Since you're not going for a very dramatic look, ensure that you use very, very little highlight. So guys, we've now highlighted the nose and contoured. So you highlight at the center of the nose, then contour at the sides. And from a distance, someone can notice that your nose is now well structured. Yeah. So guys, you now set in your makeup. I'm using the Botany setting spray to set in my makeup. So guys, last but not least, we now move to the lips. We're going for a nude shade. So stick to nude lip paints, sorry, or rather nude lipsticks. And if you so wish, you can do a lip balm. Yeah. So in this case, I'm going to do an ombre. And these are the shades I'll be using. Yeah. You now move in with the lighter shade at the inner corner of your lips. Smudge in your lips. Is this what you call smudging? Or what do you call this? So that's our final look, guys. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I love you so much. So guys, please subscribe, like this video, and share it as much as you can. See you guys on my next video. And please, you can comment down below on what tutorial you want to see next, or what do you want me to do next on the next video. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.